The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where shows off a man that was drinking at a bar, and as soon as the bartender moved from around the counter to do something, basically our back turn, the man went on the top shelf, right, and take liquors from off the top shelf. You see, some people have said that is a petty thief. You see what I say, viewers and subscribers? You see it? The customer is a thief. That's some of the things that has been said on social media. Now, two things me look on with this, you see me? One of it is that, you see the bartender, what gonna happen when the boss realize these things? Because, you know, it depends on the kind of boss that them have, you know. Some of the boss, them will take it very serious and probably fire the bartender because them are gonna say, yo, this are the bartender's carelessness made this happen. And the next thing that I like to say is, you know, a person who out there do thieving things and robbing people things and all them things. If you know for own a business place, right? Just let's put it this way. Say that's you the person where rob people place and thief from people and all these things. And then you know own a business place. Would you like it if somebody come and rob and steal and all these things to your place? Is it? So anyways, viewers and subscribers, caught on surveillance camera. A man taking things off the top shelf at a bar while the bartender's back is turned. You see me? So basically it would be like the man take what he can, which is liquor, whatever that's on the shelves in the bar, while the bartender is not around the counter or at her station. You see me? I said to you, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. You see me? So until next time, my name is Skilla. Big up on yourself.